Hello children, this is for class 2nd, subject English. Page number 26. Off to the language lab. Off to the language lab. Hello Jack, whack, 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 let us back, a yummy cake, Hello Jack, whack, 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 let us back, a yummy cake. Pull the chain, to stop the train, Don't be vain, help in pain. Off to the language lab. Hello Jack, कोई जैक को कह रहा है हेलो जैक. वैक पैक, आप जाग जाओ. लेट अस बैक, चलो हम बनाएंगे, हम बुनेंगे, हम तैयार करेंगे. a yummy cake, एक yummy cake. This is a cake. This is a yummy cake. Jack is sleeping. Someone wants to wake him to bake a cake, yummy cake. Pull the chain, to stop the train, Pull the chain. This is a train. In a train, there is a chain. When someone pulls the chain, the driver of the train stopped the train. Don't be vain, help in pain. Don't be vain, help in pain. If anyone is in help, so we must help it. We must help him in pain, when he is in pain. Let us practice. These are the words. age. When we put C before a age, it becomes cage. Cage. If we change this C, we will write P. Then it is page. When we write R, it is rage. Rage. Cage, page, rage. Sage. Wage. Stage. Cage, page, rage, sage, wage, stage. Back, A-K-E, egg. We put B, so it becomes back. Cake, leg, M's for Mac, take, break. Back, cake, leg, make, take, break. A-I-N, R. When we put R, it becomes ran. When we put G, it becomes gain. When we put M, it is man. When we put P, it is pan. When we put V, it is van. When we put PL, plan. Ran, gain, man, pan, van, plan. These are the words which are in similar sound. At last, the words are same, but before the first word is something different. So, cage, page, rage, sage, wage, stage, back, cake, leg, make, take, break, rain, gain, man, pan, van, plan. That is all about today. Thanks.